Monday delivered enormous momentum, and Tuesday's board brings biotech catalysts, low float continuation, short pressure, and major overnight expansion. Here is what I am watching for Tuesday, August 18th. Before Tuesday's setups, Monday produced remarkable CCC alerts. From their respective alert points, WFF reached plus 559.7%, WETO plus 310.6, OSRH plus 120.7, IPST plus 111.6, and XOS plus 96.8%. Those are historical trade day receipts measured from the alert points shown on screen. They are not guaranteed returns, and they do not imply that every member captured the complete move. Momentum Radar had an exceptional first full day. From first recorded hit to high hit, it tracked WFF at 539.85%, WETO at 293.31, IPST at 230.28, IVF at 170.18, and OSRH at 111.55%. That is follow-through, not an entry guarantee. The radar helps reveal which names are actively building momentum through short time frame acceleration, participation, VWAP and high-of-day pressure, bid conditions, fresh catalysts, scanner overlap, and repeated stacking hits, instead of only listing stocks after they already moved. CAPR is Tuesday's most complete setup. The biotech scanner scored it A plus 100 with a PDUFA catalyst, 34% short float, nearly 11 days to cover, borrow pressure, and explosive momentum. Watch 665, then acceptance through 730 to 745. 818 is a prior modeled reference, not a guaranteed target. Confirmation requires volume, bids, and radar stacking. Do not chase extension. AUUD is the lower-priced continuation. After hours, high of day, bid, and short pressure signals supported an approximately 89 A- Stonk confluence index from 4 sources. The question is whether 116 to 117 becomes support. Above it, watch VWAP, fresh volume, and radar stacking toward the prior 138 model reference. Low-float liquidity can disappear quickly. MDXH may be Tuesday's sleeper. After hours, bid pressure, pre-market expansion, and runner aligned, while the probability system labeled it fresh runway with an approximately 84 very strong B+ reading. The 80.8 cent snapshot showed full modeled runway toward 99.4 cents. That only matters if 80 to 81 cents becomes a real base. Sub-dollar liquidity changes fast. XOS is the news-driven monster after a U.S. Air Force mobile charging contract catalyst and enormous after-hours continuation. Its Stonk Confluence Index reached roughly 93, Elite A, but price exceeded the earlier model. This is reset and continuation only, consolidation, support, renewed bids, volume, and a new radar stack. Extreme extension makes an immediate chase unacceptable. Overnight leaders begin with XOS, up roughly 97.8% near 414 on 26.2 million shares from a 210 close. WETO gained approximately 37.7% near 3551 on 5.3 million shares. Both are extended and require new structure before another leg. SGLY expanded 36.7% near 618 on about 2 million overnight shares, supported by high of day, after hours, and bid signals. IVF added 20.8% near 183 on 5.6 million shares with expansion, squeeze, borrow, runner, and bid signals. Both belong on morning radar, but IVF needs a clean reset. Secondary board. TRUG retains after-hours, bid, pre-market, and runner signals, while reversal structure suggested stabilization and a possible second leg. DUOT combines runner, short squeeze, and after-hours expansion as a cleaner, higher-priced squeeze candidate with a prior modeled reference around $12. VWAV has Tuesday earnings and a large implied move, so the actual reaction matters more than front-running. PFSA carried an elite Monday stack across runner, bids, squeeze, and after-hours expansion, then traveled through its earlier model. Treat it as extreme continuation and reset, not fresh modeled runway. Monday's biggest winner is not automatically Tuesday's best trade. The watch list gives us candidates. The live market decides which deserve attention. Look for rebuilding acceleration, volume, VWAP structure, high of day pressure, bid and tape confirmation, relative volume, fresh catalysts, scanner overlap, and momentum radar stacking. If you want to experience momentum radar and the full cockpit control center, take a free 3-day VIP trial with no credit card required at stonk-emporium.com. This is not financial advice. These are watch list candidates for educational and informational purposes only. Momentum, biotech, low float, and small cap stocks can move extremely quickly in both directions. Verify news, filings, liquidity, and price action. Define your risk and always make your own trading decisions.